Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, everybody? Are we live? Yeah, we live. Yeah. All right, man. Hit that like button for me, guys, on the way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. It's cold in my office, man. I'm cold. We'll be good in a little bit though. Once that adrenaline starts flowing, it'll warm up real quick. So I got JFBR and WHLR this morning. And I'm gonna put something here at 6. Okay, WHLR. Let me put the live chat on so focus can slide. JFBR. Okay, man, what's up, Knives? I've been hearing about it. I haven't actually pulled it up. Good Lord. 434.79. Good Lord. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, that's
BMNZ.
crazy. Is there even anything special? Is this just like one of those technical situations where
CRMG.
rebuilding supply chain confidence with evidence the world is no longer ignoring?
RBRK.
What up, Focus? Hey, I got the live chat on off the bat, so I don't miss none of your posts, brother. Yeah, SMX was wild. You got out early, bro. What's up, Bobby?
BDTX.
I'm breaking my
BMNZ.
Yeah, I got WHLR and JFBR this morning. JFBR looked like it want to get traded off the open. That's what it looks like to me. Low under 324. Level 2 look weird. Hey, man. Hold on 1 second. It's literally doing what I wanted it to do.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens. I think I want to do one open trade per day. Come on, break 350.
Order filled.
GURE, SWBI, WHLR, CHRS,
U. CRM.
Order filled.
HPE. AMDL.
TORO,
Tell me
JFBR,
the open just makes so much more
SOXL.
sense to me now.
MRVL. DOCU.
Let's get that squawk off. I'm gonna put it right under 350.
Order filled.
All right, we'll call that. Nice little play off the open there. Didn't get much, but good exercise. Thanks, OG. Yo, WHLR looking ready. It's right at resistance though. It's kind of a cool open though, holding the highs of this little area right here. This is like a pew. Yep. Probably get slapped too. It's right at VWAP. Nonetheless, I'm not getting in at resistance, so we shall wait. PLRZ, that thing's still a topic. See, boy, as soon as that adrenaline start running, I get warm. Yeah, WHLR looks super nice on the one. Man, the 15 too. Yeah, that wouldn't have been too bad of an opening candidate. $5.30. Yeah. I was over here focused on JFBR though. Thanks, bro. I got my little space heater right here. What's up, Wave Rider? Thanks, Bobby.
Order filled.
I'm pretty far away from where I wanted to be too. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, here's the entry now.
Order filled.
All right. This little guy right here. Chill. Let's see. Got some time now. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Super whippy, man. KITT. 126. That's pretty good average. What's up, Mega Duvan? What up, bro? I'm chilling. 2 trades so far. Small win on the first one and 1 R loss on the second one. So down half a R. Not too bad. Man, I want to take WHLR right here. But still feels kind of high. Yeah, I actually think it's ready right now. But I want to see a higher low first. Mm-hmm.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn, son. It was a lower low on the one though. Well, I thought we had the double bottom in right here. Stop might have been a little too tight.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn, bro. All right. That's what's up, Felipe. Man, ain't that, bruh? I ain't even messing with it no more. Hmm. Oh yeah. What's up, Microdon? What up, Pond? Yeah. Bet more Friday. It ain't a good trade if it keep going lower, bro. I think maybe my line is too high.
Order filled.
Yeah, no, I fixed that, Knives. I definitely fixed that. I'm only risking $5 today. Damn, dog, that sucks. See now I'm like I need to be waiting for the high of the candle. Well, I did wait for the break of the high for this one through support and all that. I think maybe my line was up a little high. See what you're saying. Yeah,
Order
let's
filled.
keep it honest, Knives. I just took half off right there to make sure I'm only risking 2R. Let's keep it all the way a buck. Oh wow. Guess that was a little oh, penny below. Dang it, man. Feel very impatient today. It's like that sneaky impatience. You don't realize it. Yeah, if I want to take this and wait for this, just wait for the higher low, you know, I have to sit through this. Don't stop me out first.
Order filled.
There's your level. And you know what I do? Trade right in the middle of the range, and then it comes down to my line. Yeah. Well, there goes that. Switch it on to the paper. My bad, had a phone call. That's funny because my wife said, tell them I said hi. What you talking about, Knives? Dang, IRBT is rolling. What you talking about, Knives? Oh, because it's running without you. That's good. Yeah. No signal, no buy. I gotta adopt that. No signal, no buy. No. Need to have no support line, no buy. That was ridiculous for my last trade on JFBR. So disappointed. Yeah, I just ain't on nothing this morning. Ain't on nothing. Market pitched should tell you no one is interested. I don't know. The volume looks pretty nice on there to me. I want to buy it right now, but it's not close to my line. I think maybe 280 would be better. Yeah. Out again. Boy, Wheeler slapped me up bad. And JFBR now down to the level. Nice ending volume. Last little capitulation down. I was thinking 500K per 5 minute was decent. 1 minute? That's super high. But I mean, I really do like it when they trade lots of volume. 2 million per minute. Wow. And it's all buyers too. You don't want nothing to do with WHLR anymore. So started the day off great. And I did this actually this exact same thing the other day. The exact same thing where I took a nice trade off the open, it pulled back and I jumped right back in and then it fell through the floor. Cuz this was an entry signal, this is not. This is me excited about the move and wanting to catch a bounce. After a green candle with a huge wick at the top. Like, how's that a buy signal, bro? Yeah, I'd be too much in the game after this first trade. I need to just sit back and chill. There was definitely not another trade on JFBR after that opening trade. And WHLR, I mean, it's hella choppy. I'm not terribly mad at my trades on WHLR. I think I could have looked at it and said, this is choppy and I don't want to trade it. But as far as where I bought, I'm not mad at myself for that. I am definitely mad at my 2 trades on JFBR though. It's like unacceptable. Unacceptable. Yeah. Just hold this low. Where's the buyers? Over trading. Yeah, I just should have sat on my damn hands after this. I just completely stopped reading the room and just focused in on the little candles. Mm. Yeah, this one I had the double bottom on the one on at $6, and the 5 was red, looking like it was turning into a hammer. So I thought that was worth a go. And then it dipped and made another hammer. You know, that break and reclaim is always nice. So I took it again back over that same level. But it had other plans before it eventually made a pretty nice pop. I don't know if I would have sold that or not. JFBR is rest in peace. That's a wrap. Yeah, I mean 2% under the last 2 cent under the last low is kind of where I like to put it. Dead in the water.
Order filled.
That was early. There we go. Oh no, wait. Oh no. She wasn't supposed to say order filled. Nah, it was supposed to be in my paper. This my last trade was on the paper side and it flipped back to my regular account. Wasn't paying attention to that. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. 3. Got some walls at 620. Thanks, OG. I love the hot buttons. Keeps everything I'm doing up on the screen, you know? What, on WHLR? This has been a crappily traded stock. think going forward, we're not going to paper trade after hitting max loss. We're just going to take notes and prepare for the next trading day because this is too easy to fall into. This little volume ain't nothing for real. Nah, I set them based on the 5. Well, this entry, I guess, was based on the 1, but typically I want to get in on the last 5-minute swing low. But I was anticipating this would be the next 5-minute low. 77, 75. That's looking real nice. This little light, 2 candles right here. That's looking real nice. Got some volume coming in. There's 25. Yeah, buddy. Squeeze them out. No. Pretty whack candle right there. Yeah, take out 32, man. My side looking better. Yeah, I went in with this intending it to be a paper trade and then started going up once I got in. And it's like, well, might as well see where it goes. Yeah, that part. Hmm. I like that focus. I already got myself in trouble on my paper account bond. I'm in a real trade on accident right now, trying to paper trade.
Order filled.
Just go to 7. Am I gonna feel good? I mean, I would have felt a little good. And I feel terrible now though. Uh, can I see the good things I did today? Um, I like my trades on WHLR except for this one. Um, I mean, as far as like where I hit the button, but like zooming back, it's a pretty crappy looking stop. It's just really choppy, not smooth price action at all. Lots of clear resistance up here. That yeah, I didn't do any higher time frame analysis or anything today. I feel like I have a nice feel for the open though. Today was kind of a cool little confirmation of that. But as soon as that was over, like everything just went out the door for some reason. I needed like a reset. Well, to me, it's like if I'm assuming, I guess I should have had this right at 6. If I'm assuming 6 is support, and then we got this wick down here to 590, and then another test to 590, I'm like, okay, the idea of this trade is that 590 is where the buyers are, and it shouldn't go lower than that. So that's where I put my stop. And yeah, so that broke. And then I'm like, okay, if that's support and we got the wick and reclaim, that's pretty good. So bought the break of that high, and I got slapped. It just been every high has just gotten slapped viciously. And I had to find out the hard way. Imbalance candles? What you mean? I hate days like today though. where I feel like I can't hit the broadside of a barn, and like feels like total complete regression. Where there was once hope, there is now doubt. Uh, that's you every day. An OG just sitting on hands. Yeah. It's like you go through these moments where you feel like you can't miss. And then right on the other side of that is can't hit a damn thing. I wish I could just, I want to be able to look at this and be like, I ain't messing with that. All these top tails, I ain't messing with it. That's what I really want to be on. In pre-market, maybe. How you gonna stand up for it? Yeah. What do you look for, OG? Yeah, honestly, after six broken pre-market, a lot needed to happen. Yeah, I wasn't. This was cool on WHLR though, right off the open. But other than that, that I'm trading impulsively. No, I'm not blaming the stock itself. I'm just looking at the price action, and I've been here before where you got all of these huge wide range rips and dips, topping tails on every candle. These are always hard to read. You don't want to buy into resistance. Yeah. Sorry, Bill. We all grown here. Focus. Hmm. That's funny. I put that level up there too. I put that right before the open. I was like, let me put this up here before, so I don't, before I'm not able to put it up afterwards. Oh, that's funny. Toro looks great on the 5. Volume's pretty sparse though. What's AUR doing anyway? 1.5 R law. Ah, yeah, JFPR. So he was in there with me getting chopped. Tried to take it off 3. Yeah, I had my imaginary level right there too, bro. Got smashed. All right, Felipe. Man, yeah, I see the big volume down there. What happened to 287 though? But I had one Green Day this week. This week was a disaster. Just total disaster. What am I gonna do different next week? Well, I'm dropping my risk down again because clearly I can't handle risk at all right now. Yeah, I was thinking that focus. After that entry, bro, I should just got up and like took a walk. Cause I need the whole thing to set up again to take another trade. And if I just bought it off support and I just sold it, if it comes right back to support, it's probably crap. Probably need to wait a few minutes for that thing to shake out a bit. Um, yeah. I tried to create routines for myself for all of this stuff. Remember, I had notes and stuff to read at the before the open, after a win, after a loss. Yeah, I'm just eating up my account though on stupid stuff, Pond. Like, like I need to be in timeout, bro. Yeah, that's yeah. Like the path back to raising risk is simple. You just need like 3 days of good trading, and I can hit the target to raise my risk again. Yeah, exactly, knives. The open range. You mean like waiting 30 minutes, Pond? That's what I be trying to tell everybody too, knives. That's exactly where I'm at, bro. That's exactly where I'm at. I mean, I can look at my trades and see why they didn't work out. Like it's not a mystery to me. This was just there was no trade here. I just jumped back in because I was hype off of the move up and I was looking at 415. Like, yeah. And then I took this trade in the middle of my range. Like, if my plan is to take the buys off of these levels, how am I taking a trade? Literally smack dab in the middle of two levels. So just a lot of operational errors, man. What's up, Trey? Man, I hate for you to come in here and see my crap. But I put a level at 6 on WHLR Trey for no reason. It was this right here. What was it? Yeah, kind of this little area around in here. I was like, yeah, it looks like a little sun. WHLHR look good right now, though. What's up, Army? Yeah, that's definitely where I feel like I messed up today, Army. I didn't look at any other time frames. Like usually my bias is from the top down, and I don't even remember looking at the 15-minute chart. Actually, I remember glancing down at the 15 one time, and it looked like this. Like it, I wasn't even paying attention to it at all. I was just literally zoomed in on this one. I almost want to get rid of this thing. uh, but yeah, like here, I like this. I like this right here. But other than that, there really wasn't anything else on WLHR. Bet more, bro. All right, Bonds. Oh man, that sucks, Trey. Hey, I had that hot fire off the open on JFBR though, Trey. Check me out. Then I jumped right back in after closing my position like a good trader, and then I took this middle of the range trash. What am I going to do differently next week? I don't see why you think it was a good trade when it literally went down and broke new lows after I got in. I've deleted the level that I had up there that I was trading off of because I put it up right before the open based on pre-market. And so yeah, how often we've had that conversation. I guess it'll make more sense if I put it back, but it felt like I was getting some sniper entries. But this was actually cool, but I didn't sell. Super wide stop, so um mm, 30 cents is every trader's dream. Yeah, but if my stop was down here at 570, so like I wasn't even 1R, bro. Which I mean just confirms that this was a trash entry. I know it's my fault, bro. That's what I'm That's why I'm saying these aren't good trades. Is what I'm That's my point. Is that these were not good trades. What up here? Yeah, that was bad, huh? uh, yeah. But you see where my mind was here. I'm literally trying to get in at my line and watching it dip below and then buying the break back up if it holds the support that I was looking for in my head. But this thing was just too choppy, man. Too choppy and downtrending on the 15. What's my trade plan for next week? Uh, I mean, pretty much the same. Looking for the top two gappers with the cleanest levels. I'm picking the two that have the cleanest levels and, you know, the most volume, the cleanest trading. You know, pick my two stocks in pre-market, and those are the two that I have to work with for the day. And um now I'm definitely moved away from the idea of needing to get money from this army. I mean, of course that's the ultimate goal, but I don't have that kind of pressure on my trading anymore. It's just trying to lock in the process so I can increment to the next level. And right now I'm on the bottom level. So it's just the patience. Patience is the main thing, man. I just get a little excited sometimes, and you know, I had a nice little opening trade, and then I needed to just chill. But I was like, I was in kill mode, and it's like time to take the next trade. Yeah, I totally ignored higher time frames today, Stanford. Yeah, no doubt, Army. No doubt. Yeah, SMX is crazy. Yo, Focus, what made you feel like it had the potential? Wow, 382 now. Yeah, you got out hella early, Focus. What made you feel like holding a share though? Because you thought it was gonna do something crazy. I guess it was moving pretty crazy. Damn. I'm gone for the weekend. Yeah, nah, I'm with the timeout, bro. I'm with the timeout. Got out at 200. Yeah. Yeah, left a little meat on the bone there, Focus. But what was your entry though, bro? Like five or something? 9 bucks? Yeah, bro. Stop crying. I, I've started watching it this morning. I'm my plan is to watch more of it. It's really I was watching it and trying to like see what he was saying while watching the time it sells on level two active. It's just like, bro, I don't know, man. I think y'all pretending to read level two. Y'all pretending. I see it. Y'all hype. Oh man. No, I haven't given up on it. I was just, you know, that was just my impression while trying to grasp uh some of the concepts in real time. I haven't finished the video yet, so I'm not giving it a fair judgment, but this is just my first impression. That's what's up, Leon. I don't even use time and sales. Yeah, bro, I'm just like stop the cap, y'all. Stop the cap. What's TWS stand for? 20% accuracy? Man, that's tough. What's your RR though, Leon? Yeah, I remember you telling me when you was buying a share of SMX. Focus. Hey, y'all, hit the like while we in here chilling, man, please. That's all I got left to get from today is a couple likes from my peeps. If y'all could hit the like button. Uh, yeah, I think you're right too, though. Knives. I it'll get real YOLO at $2 because it feels like nothing. That's really why I wanted to start at 10, despite feeling like that was kind of unnecessary. But I needed to. There needs to be some weight on the trades. Um, Man, I appreciate you pulling up though, Leon. It's always good to see you, bro. TWS Interactive Brokers. Oh, okay. I'm glad you see some good out of my trading today, Focus, because that's I don't see nothing. Although I really my opening ideas I think are getting pretty solid. I really like the open now. I mean, it's still to be determined, but I think I've been having a nice little feel about the open. Um, it's got to be off the support. Man, I'm just so mad I bought this and that. Open is a YOLO. I used to feel like that, but I don't think so no more. I don't think so anymore. You'll find that out soon enough. That's true. I'll see. You're on the fence about the open. The issue with the open is that you can't hang out. Like the open is just to like put a little bit into the pot, little cushion, little quick cushion, you know, just a little pop pop, and then sit back and see what shakes. Yeah, that part too. That part too. Speaking of that, Knives, I can't log into my prop reports, which means my journal can't import my prop reports. Maybe I'll just go back to manual import. Pocket shakedown. What up, T-Lo? Just for today. Guru left. Guru. There was a way. I guess you can only export one day at a time. Wow. That $8 level, man. Don't look bad at all on the 5. Am I feeling a lotto? Nah. It looks good though. It looks real good. It's up too high though. Missed it. WLHR. This was a nice area right here. It's still making lower lows on every time frame though. But this low was like barely lower than that one. Hmm. Yeah, I think WHLR was just not the one for me. What is my typical take profit? I don't really have one right now. I'm trying to sell at the previous highs. What's up, weekly? Bad. One of these is a demo. I think this one is the demo one. Rough, man. I got chopped up by WHLR and did not walk away. I actually tried to. I started trading paper, and I accidentally. I guess my whatchamacallit resets. I don't know how it switched back from because now that I'm switching through charts, it doesn't go back to my regular account. I don't know how I went back to my regular account, and I ended up taking another live trade, which actually went into the money. At least 1R could have taken that, but you know, when you're deep in the red, it's hard to take profit, at least for me. Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna be. I think I'm gonna stop paper trading after loss. I think that's a good way to create bad habits. So, yeah, it looked like it was gonna be a bright day because I had a nice win on JBFR right out the open, and it was all downhill from there. I think I got a little overconfident. How you been, Nova? The reason focus I'd like to do that more is because I would hold through all kind of resistance levels trying to get shooting for the moon. And instead I'd rather just sell at the areas that make the most sense. So like if I bought here on WLHR, let me get mine. Like in between here and here, like why would I sell between here and here? Like unless I see some like big volume come in and a spike, but other than that, I'd be looking to get to this high right here. You know. Or if I bought in at the lows, like if I got 510, I would definitely be trying to sell through these highs. I would want to take some profit through this high. And then I would be looking maybe the top of this red candle here, but ideally the next high. Oh, yeah. I appreciate that, Nova. Yeah. Hoping to get a lot of chart time in this weekend. I really haven't. I think a lot of these silly things can be ironed out in the replay sim if I could just get some reps in. My outside life is just really busy right now. It's really busy. I'm like overwhelmed by everything, honestly. But I'm seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. I think I can smooth things out and start making more time for the things that I really want to make more time for. I think it's just gonna mean getting up way earlier and getting to the office way earlier because I can't really steal time in the evenings because once I get home, it's family time. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to steal time, and that's why it's like, bro, it's freaking impossible to get some sleep. Mm, man, bro, I was walking in the clouds in Mason, Nova. I was walking in the clouds, man. Nah, shut, bro. We ain't even. I actually brought the PlayStation to my office to do updates, bro. Every time we get ready to play, there's like 100 gigabytes of updates I gotta download first. It's like, what the heck, bro? Yeah, that was a crazy month, Nova. Like literally, bro. Every time I start up the PlayStation, which is unfortunately like every couple weeks, once a week, every 2 weeks, I literally have at least an hour of updates to download. Like, this is stupid. And you can't even choose not to play it. You can't. You'd be like, you can continue without updating. Okay, continue without updating, and then the next screen, you can't play without updating. Like, what's happening? 508 was definitely the area, bro. I was, bro. I'm so mad I put this $6 level on there, bro. So mad. I'm the only one that be putting these high levels on there. You don't ever do that. You said 508. I was like, all right, I'm gonna put this 6 up here too, though. Got slapped. That's one thing too, man. Putting level placement is really important because you'll start creating trade ideas off a level that shouldn't be there, and then you'll get chopped. Chopped. Oh yeah. Sometimes this Dosh chart just leaves a little bit to be desired. Yeah, you did. You did. JFBR looked kind of ready there, focus. Ready for the reverse, but it's so beat up now. Like, who would even want to watch? WLHR though. It's too late now. Time is 10 o'clock. Yeah, you got the higher low on the 5, big volume there. It looks pretty good. Down here like 170, yeah. Pretty nice. It would have been cool to just have a little baby 2R loss day. Just kept on swinging, bro. We're getting to a point now, though. Being under max loss means a lot more to me than taking swings to get it back. I really don't want to see 3R. That's my max loss, but I don't need to give myself that every day. Yo, 508 was clutch, Trey. Four trade limit. See, that's discipline right there, bro. That's what I be saying. Those are the things that I overlook and that hold me back. Well, that's my end of session timer. Man, what's it called, dude? All right, y'all. I'm getting out of here, man. Um, Lots to go over and think about over the weekend. I feel like I'm right there, man. Just it's the same thing that's always made it difficult, which is self. But we'll see what it do, man. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me on this super bumpy journey. Anyway, hope y'all have a great weekend. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And I'll holla. Later, 3 Pony.